Hi everyone, it's Antoine Auriol. Today I'm going to show you how to do a stop motion. The equipment that you need is very simple. You just need one camera. It can be a GoPro, a tablet, a phone, whatever equipment that allows you to take pictures. A stop motion is a sequence of still images one after the other. So you need to create sound. For that you can use your phone or whatever recorder. I personally use a Zoom. It will take you approximately 3 hours to do a basic stop motion. For this one, it took me 2 days. 1 day of shooting and 1 day of editing. It's as for everything else. More details, more time needed. But now that we have time with the quarantine, use this time to be creative. You can do it alone, but it's always better to be 2 or more. Because in between each picture, you have to move a little bit or to move the object that you are shooting. One really important thing is that you can't touch your camera once your shot is set up, because the frame has to stay still for a nice effect. Then you need to find a spot. So once you found a nice place where you want to shoot, empty it, clean it if you need to, and fix a camera on a ceiling. Once your shot is ready, you can start taking pictures. Remember, 1 picture every 10 seconds is a good reason, and be careful with your shadow in between each picture. You can use any editing program to do your stop motion. I personally use Premiere, but you can also find a lot of stop motion apps. So be creative, enjoy, have fun, and see you soon. Thank you.